Hi guys, it's Kate here, and I'm so excited to share with you my new collection called DeliKate. So when you open this up, you can see it's a really thick, yummy cream. If you have an irritated skin day, you did too much in your regimen, you had a reaction, and you just need to calm that skin down, that's when you use DeliKate. So I cleanse and I put a layer of this on, AM or PM, whenever your skin is stressed out. DeliKate has a really unique peptide that really helps with inflammation, and then it has a lot of ceramides built into it. It's all about recovery and building that skin barrier back up. So we left a lot of things out that can irritate. It's fragrance-free, it's sulfate-free, free of any mineral oil, and free from parabens. We all have bad skin days, and it puts the fire out. So we have gorgeous, beautiful, healthy skin.